So, if you're planning to buy a FundingPips challenge, wait a second. You might be paying extra because there's a simple way to get 20% off. I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Just follow along with me. First, click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the FundingPips registration page. Now just create your account like normal. Enter your name, date of birth, country, email, phone number, and set your password. But don't skip this part. In the Referral Code section, type this code, 932CBD7B. If you miss this, you won't get the 20% discount. Then tick the boxes and click on Get Funded. Now, once you're inside, you'll see a plus icon. Click that to create a new challenge. Now just follow this. First, select your challenge type, 1-step or 2-step. Then choose your model, FundingPips or FundingPips Pro. You can also customize trading rules here, like your profit target or enable swap-free option. Then just move ahead and choose your account size. Next, select your trading platform. You'll see options like MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, or CTrader. I'm just using default settings here, but you can choose whatever you prefer. Now, this is the important part. Look on the left side. You'll see the coupon code box. Just paste the same code again, 932CBD7B. Click Apply, and you'll immediately see the price drop. That's your 20% discount applied. After that, just scroll down. Here you can choose payment options like card, crypto, PayPal, Skrill. Pick your method, agree to the terms, and complete the payment. So yeah, pretty simple. If this helped you, make sure to like, share the video, and subscribe to All Coupon Code for more discount guides like this. See you in the next one.